down this way. And this bone, you see it out. And my thigh was out of the socket. My knee too. And then I couldn't walk. I was fainting at random. I was in the hospital, but nothing. They tried their best, but I wasn't okay. And I was brought back home. My grandmother came and they put everything in order. She scraped my hair. They prepared herbs and put on my skull and tied it for some months. And they put my backbone.
Did you have any fracture on your skull?
Yes, on my skull. I had fragments like that. And then they did all that they could do. And I came back to normal. Today, at 66 plus, I'll be 67 this year. Wow. I don't look it. I bounce because everything has been adjusted. It's a gift from my land. That anybody who is interested in it and you are a job person, it will just flow. It's a natural thing. It will flow. But then, my mother's younger sister has a clinic, and I went to her. I learned for 3 months there, and then I left. Before I went to school for it, got my certificate. I got licensed.
So you're certified?
I'm certified. Okay. I was licensed by federal government and Lagos State.
Oh, that's perfect.
And then, what I'm doing is not hidden. If you Google my name, you find it there. Go to YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. You find me there.
That's perfect.
Everything I produce myself.
Okay. So quickly, let's talk about few of this. This is the herb part of it. You spoke a little bit about the things you do practically, physically on people, like usually known as massaging.
Yes.
To set bones back, to put them in the right places, depending if it's a fracture, if it's a dislocation, whatever the case may be. Okay, what are the regular treatments that comes to you that are very, very frequent, that comes to your table concerning the woman body anatomy?
I will say the most frequent cases are, let me say, brain issues, that is stroke.
Stroke.
Those who have stroke.
Oh, stroke.
Saliva dripping. They can't coordinate themselves. They pee on themselves. They poo on themselves.
Okay, so stroke is very rampant.
Yes, very rampant. They come with wheelchair. It's a small thing, the Lord will do it.
So maximum, depending on the severity of the case,
yes.
Like maximum, how many months does it take to get a stroke patient?
A stroke patient, depending on the gravity, on the level.
Yes.
If it's a very high, and according to the body of each person, some people are very slow to
respond to treatment. Yes.
So response to stimuli, if it is slow, it should be slow. But some people are very spontaneous. As you are treating them, you are having results. Okay. Within 6 weeks, 8 weeks, they are back on their feet and they throw away their wheelchair. Okay. And then fertility cases, those who have fibroid, and then we give them medication. It will melt. Those who have tumor, those who have how do I put it? Those who cannot sleep.
Diabetes?
Diabetes. Diabetes is very. When I went to London, somebody was telling me, she just brought something out. He said, Mama, look, this is my gold. I said, I don't understand. What do you mean by that? He said, this is your diabetes tea, which I bought 3 years ago, and it's still working for me.
So you have a diabetes tea?
I have diabetes tea. I have hypertension. I have for 100 ailments.
Whoa.
I can bring all on this table.
Okay.
Let me give you an example. This is my balm. As white as it is, this is herbal balm. I produced myself. Smell it.
It's strong.
I produced this myself. This is
okay. So everything balm. Gets produced by
myself.
Your company. Your company. Yes. What's the name of your company before you continue this introduction of this medicine?
Beulah Heritage.
Okay,
Herbal.
It is Beulah Heritage Herbal Clinic. Okay, clinic. All right. So you were talking about, I think maybe you should just say one or two things about any of them that you are led to talk about, like the balm, which other, the tea you were referring to. Is this, okay, this is eye tea for the eyes.
Yes, for the eyes.
Whoa.
No, I have for different elements. Like I was talking about this balm. Somebody just came, bought for her son, and then she came back and said, I think I want my own.
Wow.
Why? Because when you rub it on yourself, you are having aches and pains. It relieves very, very fast. It's not very, very hot, but just mildly hot.
But works superb.
Works. Whether it is charm or whatever, I produce by divine direction anyway. Amen. Apart from the fact that I went to school and I learned from my family, but I am directed by the Holy Spirit. I want to produce anything. He will speak to me. Take this, and it will give you this. And so, that's how I arrived at this balm. Okay. Apart from this balm, I have a hair cream. Those who have hair, who have done